Hello everyone and welcome back to English Class. Today I come with viral math question. Question number 1 and question number 2. Second question is more trickier. So try to solve both the question and comment your answer to feature in our shortout list. Whatever your answer, right or wrong, I will make sure you will get feature here. So first what we have 9 into 1 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 2. So better to solve in a fraction method. Okay. So what we have 9 times 2, that is 18, plus 1, that is 19, divided by 2, divided by 3 times 2, that is what? 6 plus 1, 7, divided by 2. Okay. So what we have here, we will use the KCF rule. Keep, change, flip. We will keep this part 9 19 by 12. We will change this division into multiplication and flip numerator into denominator. 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. So we will do operation 19 divided by 2. Division will be changed to multiplication and 2 by 7 will be, like that. And after that 2 times 1 becomes 1. And our equation will become 19 by 7, which will be the best one. Coming to the next question. 2 parenthesis 2 parenthesis 2 plus 1 and whole here is square. Try to solve by your own. I am going to solve stepwise with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, with the help of PEMDAS. Here, so first we have to do this inner parenthesis part. So what we have, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 square. Now 2 parenthesis close 3 is nothing but 2 into 3 square, and 2 into 3 which equals to 6. So we will simply write 2 into 6 square, and 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6, that is equals to 36. So we will write 2 into 36, and when we multiply 2 into 36 we will get 72 as the right answer. So try to solve this math videos and comment your answer, and thanks for watching.